What's up, YouTube? Jordan Lance, Redeye Racing, back for another video today. Today, we are installing this performance development rear differential brace on the Redeye, so let's go.
Didn't even get to bronze.
Alright, so let's do a little unboxing for you. Performance development rear diff brace here. Make sure we do not snap our rear differential. So first things first, we got some instructions here, a little sticker. How you doing?
How you doing?
We got our bolt package in here, all the hardware. This goes on top of our second piece. Nice packaging though. Serious bubble wrap in here. So this is the second piece that we put on, and as you can see here, this little piece actually allows for some movement, which is nice. Yes, it's a very sturdy brace and will keep everything in place, but they included this little portion in here so that there can be a little movement in there as well, so that's always nice. So the pressure is not too tight. If I can get this thing open, I'll show you this one. Alright, so this is piece number 1. So this will go right onto the differential, and we'll use the factory bolts here, and then we're going to use 3 bolts that are provided in this bag right here, and then we're going to connect this bad boy up right here, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, we made it out to the cars. We just did a little video on the Tiguan oil change over here. That's why the Tiguan is out and about. But now it's time for some bad kitty work.
The true action.
See her little tire letters and body graphics, new additions going crazy. So now it's time for the rear diff brace. We'll get down there, throw her on. Alright guys, so this is gonna fit up in here just like this, and then the other piece is going to fit right up here, screw in here and here, and yeah, it's pretty simple. All we're gonna do is take out these 2 factory bolts right here, these 3 bolts right here, and then we're gonna put the 2 factory bolts back in here. We're not gonna use these bolts again. We're gonna use the ARP bolts that were provided to us, and then we're gonna put the second piece on. Alright guys, so we got the bolts back in there, the factory bolt here and here, the 3 ARP bolts in these 3 spots right here. We fit them to snug, and now we need to torque them. So we're going to torque these 2 to 90 and these 3 to 42. Alright guys, we got our first piece on, good to go. Torque to 90, torque to 42, and now we need to put the second piece on. We need to put little adapters in here that give us some tread to hook into. So we're going to slide them up through here and slide them over so they're in place. That is going to be the hardest part of this whole operation. So this one goes on the driver's side like so, And this one goes on the passenger side. So we'll throw those in there. Then we're going to use bolts they provided in here, and then the other bolt here with some Loctite on it and a big washer in here, and second piece should be good. And I think we're all done. Alright guys, so we got our bolts into the cross member treads that we threw in there, but I'm telling you what, man, that was the hardest part of this whole install. This one did not want to go into the little piece that we threw in there. At least we didn't lose them, and we got them to fit finally. So now we're going to torque these boys to 42 and torque the middle bolts to 90, and then we're gonna have our rear diff brace all installed, good to go. All right, see, I got my light working here. That's it, guys. Pretty simple install, other than these bolts give me a little trouble up in here in the cross member, but as you can see, rear diff brace good to go. So yeah, not too bad. All right guys, we are testing out the rear diff brace, see if we can notice any additional stability, especially going around the turns. So do a little raw driving for you, and we'll see if we like it. Let's go.
Woo!
All right, turn number 1 coming up.
Okay.
Getting cut off by 450. Oh wow. It's really nice.
Really?
Oh man, that brace really holds it in place. It feels so stable around the turns.
Oh, good.
It almost eliminates the body roll that holds that rear diff right in place where you want it. And even if it's not like a huge difference, at least it gives me a little more confidence when I head into a turn. Nothing's gonna pop out of place, nothing crazy is gonna happen, or if I just like, you know, gun it from a dig, that you know, I won't have any issues. We have any track days here coming up soon that won't have any problems, so let's get to a place we can open it up a little more and check it out. You're doing all of that.
I'm keeping you. Yeah. Graphics are sick. Go, 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 go.
Okay, go.
See ya.
Yeah, dude. Alright, here we go. Make this turn, man.
How did that feel?
Wow, it felt so good. The rear end does not want to give out. It just holds you right where you want to be, shoots you right around that corner. It's beautiful.
That's awesome.
Alright guys, if you like what you saw, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. Jordan Lance, Redeye Racing, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go.